Exciting news from Drone Racer's warehouse.
Hey Drone Racers family, we have some thrilling news to share with you today. I'm absolutely thrilled to share some incredible updates about our grand opening. This is a moment we've all been waiting for, and it's finally here. Mark your calendars for November 17th. That's the day Drone Racer's warehouse officially opens its doors at Suite 372, Tanger Outlets in Pooler, Georgia, right next to Dave & Buster's. This location is perfect for all our drone racing enthusiasts, offering easy access and a vibrant atmosphere. Now, I know you're all eager to experience everything we have to offer. From the latest in drone technology to exclusive racing gear, we have something for everyone. Our store is designed to be a haven for drone racers, a place where you can find the best products and connect with fellow enthusiasts. While we aren't selling products just yet, I'll be at the shop working hard to get everything ready and would love for you to come by and say hi. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to meet each and every one of you. Feel free to drop in, check out the space, and share your excitement with us. Our website will go live on November 18th, where you can find more information about what we'll offer and how you can get involved. The website will be your go-to resource for all things Drone Racer's warehouse, including product details, event announcements, and community forums. Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to embark on this exciting journey with us. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you at the grand opening. But wait, there's more! Exciting news ahead! We have been working tirelessly to bring you something truly special. By December 31st, we're moving to a larger 5,000 square foot location. This new space will allow us to expand our activities and offer even more exciting opportunities for our community. This means more space for us to have an indoor whoop track, where drone enthusiasts can practice and perfect their skills in a safe and controlled environment, and an indoor dirt RC track where racers can compete and have a blast. Imagine the thrill of racing your RC car on a professionally designed track, surrounded by fellow enthusiasts. I own a tree service that helps fund this venture, but running both the RC shop and the tree service is a challenge. I need your support to make Drone Racer's warehouse a success. Every visit, every share, and every bit of encouragement makes a difference. To all vendors out there, we have an exciting opportunity for you. If you have any overstocked products, whether they are RC car parts, drone components, or any other related items, or items you'd like to sell on consignment, we want to help you move those products. Please reach out to me directly. We are eager to collaborate with you. You can text me at 912-436-4195. Let's discuss how we can work together. Together, we can bring racers together, foster a sense of community, and create an amazing environment for RC enthusiasts right here in Savannah. Your participation can make a huge difference. Join us in making this event a success, and let's build something incredible together.
Thank you for being part of this journey.